Bitcoin, you've heard of it. Maybe you've even bought some, but what is it really? Let's break it down simply. Bitcoin is digital money. But unlike the money in your bank account, it's not controlled by any government or bank. No one can just print more of it, no one can freeze it, and no one can tell you how or when to use it. So how does that even work? Bitcoin was created in 2009 by someone, or a group, using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It came out of the 2008 financial crisis, when people started questioning the whole system, central banks, money printing, bailouts, and whether the money in our accounts was really secure. Satoshi's vision? Well, it's a kind of money that runs on code, not trust. Something global, open, and decentralized. Here's the key idea. Bitcoin is built on something called blockchain technology. Think of it as a public record, like a digital ledger, that keeps track of every single transaction. That ledger is not stored in one place. It's shared across thousands of computers around the world. These computers are constantly checking and confirming each other's records. This is what makes Bitcoin trustless, meaning you don't need to trust a middleman like a bank or PayPal to move your money. The network itself ensures no one cheats, no one double spends, and no one changes the past. Now let's talk about the money side. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. That's it, forever. It's written into the code. And this is a big deal. Because unlike regular currencies, which governments can print endlessly, Bitcoin is scarce. That's part of why some people call it digital gold. And just like gold, you can't fake it. It takes energy and computing power to mine new Bitcoins. That's the process of verifying transactions and securing the network. Now, why do people actually buy Bitcoin? For some, it's an investment. They believe it will rise in value over time as demand grows and supply stays limited. For others, it's a hedge, protection against inflation, currency collapse, or government overreach. And for millions globally, especially in countries with unstable economies, it's simply a way to store value and move money without relying on broken financial systems. But Bitcoin isn't perfect, it's volatile, it can be confusing, it's still being adopted, and some governments don't like it because they can't control it. Still, it's changing the way we think about money. Bitcoin represents a shift, from centralized trust to math-based freedom. A currency that works 24/7, no borders, no politics, just code, math, and belief. Is it the future? That's still playing out. But one thing's clear, Bitcoin has already changed the conversation about what money is, and what it could be.